Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the sound settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, let's start off by going into the settings. So what we need to do is we need to go to the sidebar right here. Now go to settings, and in those settings, go to sound. And now select sound mode. Here we can basically change the apply to audio settings. We can apply it to all sources or the current source. Here we can enable or disable the bass boost. Also enable or disable the surround sound. Here we have the dialogue clarity, and it will boost the basically human volume, so you guys will hear the dialogues perfectly. Here we also have the true volume, so you guys can basically control your volume. Now here we have the equalizer, and here we can change the settings. And here we can enable or disable wall mount setup. It's based on the position of your TV, so if it's mounted up to a wall, then you guys can enable it. And here we can reset current mode by clicking OK. And as you guys can see, let me just go down to the equalizer where we changed something. Now it's not at 7 like it was, or 5 I believe so. It's at 0. So this is how you guys can change those settings. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.